ma'am, I want to ask a question. When I talk to others, that time without hesitation I talk to each other. But when I make video in front of camera, so I'm not properly able to speak English, and that automatically hesitation, come my mind. How to remove that kind of hesitation during conversation time in front of camera?
Okay, see what happens is that while we are on camera, while we are being captured, we become conscious. We, automatically have that thing in mind that people are going to judge us. So when we, constantly think about certain things that we are being judged, we'll be judged, people will be embarrassed. So that those things, what they do is they hamper our confidence. And while you are talking to other people, you might be talking with them on audio call and not on video call, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, you are right. Yes,
So,
ma'am. You are right.
so what happens is that while now that we are talking through video, so you want to look presentable, you want to look confident also, and you want to display that you are very correct. But what happens during the audio call is that okay, we are moving in the room, we are just going for a walk, and then we are talking. We are so we are not at
So
all conscious,
cool.
so
Yes,
relaxed,
ma'am.
we are so comfortable about everything. Okay, whatever is happening, he's just listening to me, he can't see me. So that is what
Yes,
brings more and more confidence in us. So that confidence you have to transfer while you are being connected through video also. All
yes,
right.
ma'am.